Is the battery draining too fast on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or S26 Plus, even with normal use? Many users are already complaining about this issue. But don't worry, here are a few simple fixes that can help improve your battery life. Before changing settings, check what's actually using the most power. Open Settings, tap Battery, and look at the battery usage graph. This will show which apps are consuming the most battery. If you see an app at the top that you haven't used much, it may be running in the background. In that case, force stop the app. Then tap and hold the app you mostly use. Go to the Info button, then open Storage. Here you should clear its cache to prevent unnecessary battery drain. The display is one of the biggest battery consumers on the Galaxy S26 series. First, lower the refresh rate. Open Settings, tap Display, then open Motion Smoothness, and select Standard instead of Adaptive. This switches from 120 Hz to 60 Hz, which can save a noticeable amount of battery throughout the day. Next, check your screen resolution, especially on the Ultra model. Open Screen Resolution and make sure it's set to FHD+, not QHD+. The difference is barely noticeable, but it reduces GPU workload. Next thing, from the same settings, go to the top and try switching to dark mode, but I'll keep mine on light mode for now. The next thing you should try is turning off Always On Display. Open Settings, go to Lock Screen and AOD, and from here, turn off the Always On Display option. Wireless connections can also drain your battery. If your 5G signal is weak, the phone may be constantly switching between 5G and LTE, which uses extra power. To fix this, open Settings, tap Connections, open Mobile Networks, and set the network mode to LTE Preferred only. You can also limit background activity from unused apps. Open Settings, tap Battery, then open Background Usage Limits. Add apps you rarely use to Deep Sleeping apps. This prevents them from running in the background unless you open them manually. Sometimes battery drain happens because of a small software glitch. One common fix is wiping the cache partition. First, turn off the phone. Connect it to a computer using a USB cable, then press and hold volume up and power until the recovery menu appears. From there, scroll using the volume down button and select Wipe Cache Partition by pressing the power button. Then confirm Yes. And now reboot the system. Now your phone will restart. This will clear temporary system files without deleting your data. That's it. Follow these steps to fix your Galaxy S26 Ultra battery drain issues. Hope this guide helps. Thanks for watching till the end.